Join us today as we come here and visit the Chino Bonsai Club here in San Gabriel. Well, here we have the Chino Hills, or Chino Club here, Bonsai Club. They have their spring show, so they moved their spring show to from their fall show to spring. So this is actually Sunday, May 5th. Nice quiet morning. That's a really busy week. It's a busy 2 weeks. Let me kind of go through a quick, just an overview really quick. So their show now is in spring to give them a more variety. Talking to David and June. A lot more bougainvilleas in flowering. Just missed the demo they had at 11 o'clock today. Had the reception last night. Let me kind of go through it. So let me kind of go through some of these trees. There's a giant pomegranate. Some carving. So they follow the live line on these pomegranates, which was really cool. Yeah, you see at the bottom. So they just kind of follow the live lines, made this canopy. Kind of cute that they have a accent. It's another, looks like a gardenia almost. You can tell. Looks like gardenia, waxy leaves. There's a really nice California juniper, cascade. And I kind of like how they use the raffia to really support the live vein as they're doing some heavy bending. Here's a raft Chinese elm. Really well done on this rock, and you can tell, I'm not sure if you can tell, I'll kind of get really close. You can see the raft or the live vein that goes across there. So, in a raft, they're all kind of coming out of that single root. Another nice bougainvillea. Looks like a Santa Barbara red. We gotta kind of ditch into this highway here. Something we really don't see in California. It's a ball cypress. It's a really nice base, really taper. Go all the way up with a gin top. Kind of the leaves are just kind of popping out. You can tell there's nice and green with that chartreuse color. Another variety we really don't see in California, or Southern Cal that is, the coastal redwood. Apparently does really well here. Really nicely padded out. Always want one, I just don't have the guts to buy one. But now I know it kind of does well, so I might buy one. There's a nice Shempaku. I wonder if this was a California that has been grafted. It does, so that's been the graft mark right there. I don't know, it's leave in the comments, what do you think? Should California junipers be left with its natural foliage, or do you think it should be grafted? There's like two schools of thought. I'm whatever makes the tree looks better. But you know, what do you guys think? Not that tree, very bunjin. There's this really giant, I think, bougainvillea. I forgot what this color is called. It turns this to lively like orange, just pink color. There's a Serra juniper. Now, Serra junipers are known for that like silvery blue color. You can see that the foliage is a lot bluer and silvery color, so really indication that's a Serra juniper. Also known, these guys are like, there's one foliage that's much more, not wimpy, but loose. Not as tight as the foliage as California or Utah. And there's no holes, unlike California. So this is the old California. Really nice, really tall though. I'm getting, I think I like these wispy kind of looking Californias than these really compact ones now. There's another giant California. Going down that first aisleway. Here's a really cool big deadwood. Nice accent that goes with it. Spring. And you can tell how big that thing is, like my hand. It gives you an idea of scale. Here's a Japanese black pine. Looks like its needles are about to be reduced. You can see how the spring needles are out already. So could be reduced soon. Here's a crepe myrtle. Does it look like crepe myrtle? It should be. It's a crepe myrtle. Just the leaves are kind of dry. You really don't see it this early. Really nice with the molted bark. Really unusual. I wonder what color flower that is. It'd be kind of cool to know. This is really cool. California juniper. Look how long and wispy that thing is. With a twisted base, goes up to the cascade. I think that's really cool. Let me go back to the beginning here. There's another giant California that's been grafted from Patku. I think this is a male. Some of the pollen pods are coming out. You can see that. And it's probably been grafted too. But really nice tree. All in all, really nice tree. Here's a black pine. Really old by that flaky bark. Really nice. Here's a California juniper with a really wide canopy. Try and get as back as I can before I touch the other trees here. There's a twisted pomegranate. No flowers, no fruit yet. But you can see the trunk is really that twisted kind of trunk. Here's another California that's been grafted with Itagawa. It has, the Itagawa has much finer foliage than that California. Another cool Chinese elm, almost like the Penjing style, with a really grotesque, really barky or lumpy trunk line here. You can see the leaf is so small, they're just being emerged from their spring slumber or winter slumber. Here's a cork bark pine. You can tell by the really thick pine bark there. On the yellow side, I wonder if it's just been overwatered or not in the sun very often. Here's a Satsuki, just out of its prime. You can tell it's just dropping lately. So I bet this was like awesome when it was in full bloom. There's another raft. Can we call this a raft? I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Is this considered a raft? I mean, this is the branch and everything's coming off that branch, but it's not rooted in. So is that really a raft? Or, I don't know. Still a cool tree. Something that we don't really see in Southern Cal here. This is a star fruit. Star fruit is that yellow fruit that has like the 5 segments. We cut into horizontal, it looks like a star. Leaves, or this is like a subtropical or even tropical plant. I wonder where this guy resides. Be kind of interesting to hear a story background his fruit. I mean, that'd be kind of interesting. Flowering apricot and its green leaves. A really giant California. A small squatty olive. You can see how big the base is.
Is the front facing you?
The front facing me right now, yes.
Can we go down the other hallway? Let me go to the side over here.
And everything's gonna get compressed and twisted. Nothing like, yeah, I just gotta get the water on.
Alrighty, so here's the last bit of display before they go into the demo area. They have these really cool California juniper with a really long deadwood and cascade. Let's see, they're on a roll. You got a Satsuki from Janaka, a Shampaku by, that's probably owned by Benoki at one point. Really cool. Tedawaki and Francoya. I'm a sucker for stones. That's really cool. It looks like one of those Indian stone from Death Valley when it was collectible back in the days. It's Francoya from one of those lovely sidecades. A lovely Shampaku. Probably California at one point. Or not. That's kind of fun once you can't tell.
Last time we were using that box. Just said flat. I don't know what happened to it. One's still there.
This is a 1C juniper from Arizona. Really hard deadwood. No termite damage at all. Really fine foliage. Kind of in between a Itagawa in California. Really cool ficus. It looks like a Burke Divii, like a giant Burke Divii. Someone can identify that, be kind of cool. And we got this Prostrata. I think I like the. Last but not least, we get this the small corner, I call it. Here's a Chinese elm. Really cool ficus. Really been padded out. A lot of work on that one. Some Itagawa Shampaku. Here's a raft. I mean, this is a classic raft. You can see that the root works on the bottom. They're all coming up. So that's really a raft. Another Procumbens. This looks like a stone pine. Yeah, it's an Italian stone pine. This is what a Christmas tree could look like. I killed all mine, so don't ask me for help on that one. Here's a Itagawa. A cork elm. And a Prostrata juniper and a cascade. And another really cool cascade here.
I mean, there's like rough rules, not really rules, I would say, but like guidelines to make it look good. Like there's stuff that like you kind of have in your head when you're filming. Like for instance, you typically have like a triangle.
They had a demo at 11 today, a little late. Other things to do, but just give an idea what they were doing. Nice demo.
It's more like their guidelines to follow.
Really cool Shampaku.
Like they say, like if you're gonna break the rules, like have a reason, like know why you're doing it.
Yeah,
that's a cool grape.
This way or because but there's, I mean, this is the styling. Huge part is the horticulture. Right, that's step one. You gotta be able to keep the trees alive.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So, yeah. So this is like they do. Yeah.
If you guys like the video here at the Chino Bonsai Club here in San Gabriel, if you actually came to it, leave a comment and maybe we'll compare notes later. If you guys like the video, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.